Shit, we need intro music. Suno, come on. No, we're not logged in. Silly me. How we do? Here we go. The classic.
When the weekend's here and you're feeling kind of low.
Alright, this is schedule.
Don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place. You're missing out on all the latest trends, but AI has got your back, it's your tech friend. When ideas are lacking, it's no need to fret, just let the algorithms guide you. Don't forget, hey hi ho, tech forget. Don't forget,
Song name.
hey hi ho,
Tech Friend Stream. Tech Friend Stream. Yo, John Power. What's up? Llama 3, yes. Can I make this public? Yeah, public. Alright, yes, as John Power has said, it is Llama 3 day, and we will be testing that very shortly. But first, I was gonna go through my X bookmarks. So let's go on x.com. Ooh, 3 notifications. What's up? Grant, amazing guy, amazing mind. But I think I bookmarked some cool posts. Nothing? Oh no, all bookmarks. Oh yeah, well, Zuckerberg announces
model that we're open sourcing. And I'm going to go deeper
Llama
on Llama
3.
3 in just a minute, but the bottom line is that we believe that meta.ai is now the most intelligent AI assistant that you can freely use.
the fact that it's free and open source is amazing. Shouts out to Meta and Zuck.
To make meta.ai even smarter, we've also integrated real-time knowledge from Google and Bing right into the answers.
Amazing.
We're also making meta.ai much easier to use across our apps. We built it into the search box that's right at the top of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. So anytime you have a question, you can just ask it right there. And we built a new website, meta.ai, for using it from the web. We're also
Checking that out.
releasing a bunch of unique creation features. Meta.ai now creates animations, and it now creates high-quality
Animations.
images so fast that it actually generates and updates the images for you in real time as you're typing. It's pretty wild, and you can go check it out now on WhatsApp or the website. We're investing massively to build a leading AI, and open sourcing our models responsibly is an important part of our approach. The tech industry has shown over and over that open source leads to better.
Yeah, I don't think he says much else. There's like a 8 billion one that we will be testing. Have I downloaded it? Yes, I have, and I will be. HunCCT says, "What's the song?" Okay, let me see if I can find it. Tech Friend Stream Suno. If you just Google that, I don't think you can. Yeah, you might have to go on Suno. Can you search on Suno? I don't think you can. I think I have to link it to you. Alright, well the link's gonna be kind of difficult for you to get to on TikTok, but it's gonna be if you go on YouTube, the link to this document is in the description for the live on YouTube, and then the link to the song is in that document. So I don't know, if you have enough patience to go through those many links, this is where you can find it. Otherwise, I don't think you can search for it easily. Yo, Soundwaves, it already knows what you want before you type it. That'd be funny. Wonder if Llama 3 wrote his monologue.
Is already near.
But yeah, so they're training like an even bigger model who's not even finished training yet, and it could surpass GPT-4, which would be awesome. Okay, maybe there wasn't too many bookmarks, so we'll check out this world's fastest AI chat voice.
What's your name?
My name is Katie.
Katie, what do you think about time travel?
Barely an accent.
I think time travel is a fascinating concept.
Time travel.
But it's also a topic that has been explored in various forms of media, including movies, TV.
But yeah, around 500 milliseconds latency. Do they have... It's using this thing called Gazelle, which is the first public LLM with direct audio input. So it doesn't have to transcribe the audio into text. You can directly feed it like tokens of audio or like, yeah, audio waves. Is that what us usually sound like? Some of us, you know, the ones that sound like, oh yeah, like I just went to the shop and you know they have a bit of a twang to how they talk. Katie's a bit like that.
Shows and books. As a result,
Shows and
there are many
books.
different interpretations and perspectives on
Interpretations. Sorry, Katie. I mean, she's not real, so I guess maybe she won't be offended. Maybe. I don't know if we have access to this Gazelle demo. Okay, they have a pipeline. They have a demo. Let's try it out. Video. Hey, I'm trying to look for Katie. Is this Katie? It's not real time though. Oh, thanks for the sub. Can't see your name. Hold on, I can fix that. Oh, shit. Zero, thanks for the sub. Alright, still kind of hard. I need a better way to see the subs. At the moment, I'm like reading the preview. Yes, that's correct. Oh. I guess it wasn't even text back, so here, thank you for the sub. Yeah, okay, so he did say it's not an end-to-end pipeline, but it's just the base model. Bio, thank you for the sub. So it's a public model, but I don't think it's an open source model. Red, thank you for the sub. But yeah, oh, it is open source. Oh no, this is V1. They're using V2. Gabe, thank you for the sub. That's pretty cool. Like, I probably won't go into it, but the fact that, yeah, it is open source. And they have that model is really cool. Pranav, thank you. John Power says there's a demo, millis.ai. That's a pretty quick voice chat. Alright, let's test that one. There's so many. I did like a whole video testing all these voice chats, but I missed out so many, it seems. Ogre, thank you for the sub. Alright, let's test this one. Instant, supposedly. Natural and affordable. Experience the lowest latency voice AI on the market, supposedly. Alright, shouts out to MS Millis. I guess that stands for milliseconds. That's how fast it is. Let's see.
Hey there! Welcome to Millis AI. How can I assist you today?
I want to see how fast you can respond to me.
You bet. Go ahead, ask me anything.
Holy shit, that was actually pretty fast. Now, I want to test if I can
Thanks.
interrupt you
Millis AI.
mid-sentence.
Of course, feel free.
Human interruption detected. Dude, this is great. This is
Haha.
about...
Well, I guess you can. What were you
It even says a latency down the
about to
bottom.
say? Yep, that's right. It's all part of the magic of Millis AI. If you have any other questions or if you'd like to explore more, I'm here to help.
What's the lowest latency you can get to?
Millis AI can achieve a low latency of around 600 ms, allowing for smooth and natural voice interactions. It's pretty darn fast, if I do say so myself.
Dude, amazing. John Power, thank you for showing us that.
You're very welcome. If you ever want to dive deeper into what Millis AI can offer, just let me know. I'm here to
Yeah, what other features do you have?
assist, however. Millis AI offers a range of features including natural language understanding, emotion detection, conversational flow management, and flexible customization for specific use cases. If you'd like to learn more and see Millis AI in action, we can schedule a discovery call for you. How does that sound?
Can you do function calling?
Perfect. I'll find open meeting slots.
Function calling, can you do that?
Here are some available meeting slots for this Friday, 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., and 11:30 a.m. Which one works best for you? And could you provide me with your name and email, please? Perfect. Locking in the meeting time. Seems like there was... I'm on it, scheduling the meeting immediately. Seems like there was an issue. Before I schedule the meeting, could you please provide me with your name and email? Thank you.
Rash at appricot.com.
Thank you. Got it, Rash. Now scheduling the meeting for you.
But yeah, no, that's pretty good. That's definitely one of the best ones we've tested. You're so locked in now. All right, let's move on. I should mark down everything we tried. Gazelle, 500 ms, voice AI, Millis.ai, 600 ms, voice AI, service ready to go, OS model that doesn't transcribe. I wonder if they're using... I wonder if Millis is using Gazelle. That'd be interesting. Okay. Llama 3? I think it's time. Let's go to meta.ai. Their free hosting of Llama. I'm not sure which version of Llama they're gonna be using. But yeah, we gotta log in with Facebook supposedly. Okay. So apparently you can create an animation. Should we try that? See how big we can get this. Here we go. That's pretty good. Yo, hold up. I might see if I can stream on Instagram for this. Yo, Pacific Dome, what's up? We're testing Llama 3. Meta.ai just released their Llama model, Llama 3, which is breaking all kinds of records. It seems really cool. I want to test it out. Let's see. We need a stream key. I want to show it on Instagram. Testing Llama 3 public. Limit reached. Whoops. So turn off Kick. I don't think anyone watches me on Kick. Here we go. You should hook it up with FinGPT. Both open source. What's FinGPT? Yo, Parsley Chad, thank you for the roses. Is that like DALL-E? Well, the image generation is like DALL-E, but Llama 3 itself would be like, you know, ChatGPT. Okay, here we go. It's a bit off-center. That might be better. Tried the 8B model on a Q2 Quant. It was pretty good. Would love a coding fine-tune. Oh yeah, we will definitely get a coding fine-tune. Don't worry about that. Llama 3 and Open Interpreter. Yeah, I think I definitely want to try that out. I have figured out how to host models on my laptop, so I have it all set up to host. I think I'm actually hosting it as well. Oh, it goes to sleep. I was hosting it. Yeah, I just still am hosting it on my laptop, so I can use it at full GPU offload without messing up my main computer's GPU. All right, we're live on Instagram as well. That's sick. If it works like LLM, you should try rawdog. Yeah, well, I do Open Interpreter, which is very similar to rawdog. Oh, Grant Orkins. Bro, I've been loving all your posts on X and stuff. You're obviously a very intelligent and knowledgeable person in the field. So thanks so much for joining the stream. The One. Yeah, by Abante. Do you work with Abante or for them? I've been trying their Mentat. It's really cool. I just had issues with LM Studio, unfortunately. Oh, you made rawdog. Awesome. I could try rawdog. Just because you joined my stream, I'll try it with rawdog. First I want to try animations. Supposedly you can create animations. I don't think that's something ChatGPT can do. With tools, and then we'll try it with rawdog. Alright, let's see. Make me an animation of... What animation do we want? A dog. FinGPT GitHub is a perfect model to connect with meta.ai. Alright, let's see what FinGPT is. I don't think I've heard of it. Okay, this is not an animation. Okay, animate. They have a button that does animate. But wow, this quality of just the base image was really good. Really high quality image. And so fast as well. Really fast. We've got 4 images. FinGPT is a financial language model. Not really something I'm particularly into, to be honest. FinGPT forecaster, but thanks for pointing that out. Yo, what's up everyone on Instagram? This is Llama 3 by meta.ai, just released while I was sleeping about 5 hours ago. What's up, Emir? Made this dog. Let's press animate. Let's see what the animate button does. Shrek says, about to enroll in school for web development. Should I change? We're gonna get into whether AI is gonna be jeopardizing software development. I know there's some people that have made better opinions on it than I can probably give you right now. But yeah, so that's a pretty cool basic animation. I want to see if it can do more complex animation. Emir says, is it also available on WhatsApp? Yeah, supposedly this Meta AI is available on WhatsApp, Instagram, and maybe Facebook itself. They've put it just above on the top of your chat, like where you chat and DM to other people. They've put in Meta AI there as well. Grant, you're out? No worries. You can see the VOD on YouTube if you want to come back to it, Grant. Otherwise, I also edit all the highlights from the streams, although I am kind of slow. I'm about a week behind. But yeah. Vampire says, what programming languages can I use to develop a chatbot? Probably Python or JavaScript. Alright, let's say, I want to make an action. This says it can make the image while you type. But I guess it's a slow, unless, wait, if we click this imagine button, does it, yeah, if you start your prompt with imagine, you see the images appear as you type. That is so cool. So I want to make an action scene. Let's do imagine an action scene with a superhero. I don't see anything generating. Superhero flying out of an explosion. Okay, nothing generated as I typed. Maybe I have to press the new button. Nope. Hold on. New conversation. Let's try that again. Imagine an action scene with okay, no, superhero flying out of an explosion. All right, let's just see it creating it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. That's pretty cool. And let's animate it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 5 seconds of the animation. That is actually awesome. Dude, imagine the stories and like videos you can create just by chaining together heaps of these animations. It's amazing. Emery says they didn't get the feature even updating WhatsApp. Yeah, maybe it's not on WhatsApp yet, but it's I've definitely seen it on my Facebook Messenger. And I think Instagram. Yo, thank you for the, what is that? Oh my god, I missed it. I think that's someone subbed? I mean, paid money? Hold on, I have to go to YouTube to check that out. I've lost my preview. What happened to my preview? I might have closed it. I think I closed it, dude. Hold on. Here we go. I need to figure out a better way to read out these subs, man. My apologies, guys. Anyone who's subbed, I'm going to figure out who it is, just so they don't go unnoticed. I need to figure out. It was probably Vampire Slayer with $14 Canadian. Thanks so much, Vampire Slayer. You legend. Amazing. And they've also asked, how can I develop the interface using Python without Streamlit, because Streamlit is limited? If you want to develop a local interface, I mean, you could just do basic Python and interact with it in the terminal. But if you want a user interface, you can have like a web server with like Flask. I think there's also like some other GUI packages for Python, like PyGUI or something. I'm more of a JavaScript person, so I'm not too sure with Python, but I do know, I think it's a lot easier to create front ends with JavaScript. John Power recommends Gradio. Gradio is also another great easy way to create front ends for like AI apps with Python, I think. And T Kinter is also another one. Is that Nick? What's up, Mr. No Name? It is Nick. Hello. Aman says, yo folks, I'm trying to add speech integration to Phi2 in Unity. Any tips for the TTS/STT I should use? Yeah, good question. I did have some of them noted somewhere. Where was it? If you Google GitHub real-time TTS and real-time STT by ColJB, I think these ones are pretty good. Like friend, you have to want it more so it detects you better. You have to want it more. Want the Imagine more? Imagine. Can it do copyright stuff? Well, it did. It did Superman, so I wonder if we can do SpongeBob. Vampire, thank you so much for the other. Yeah, Vampire Slayer, the GOAT. Oh, it can do copyright stuff. So interestingly, DALL-E 3 actually refuses to make any copyright characters. But meta.ai apparently does not care. Pikachu? Imagine Pikachu fighting Goku in space with Thunder Strikes versus Kamehameha. Is it Kamehameha? Did I miss some TikTok comments? I think I did. I want to at least understand the basics of software dev to be able to use all these tools. What do you recommend? I always say just follow your like interests. So for me, it was game development. Just build projects. I like to learn by doing. So yeah, build projects. Searchus, thank you for the follow. Elephant says they only make backends with assembly. You are a crazy man. This is sick. Goku and Pikachu having a fight in space. Animate. Taylor Swift? Imagine Taylor Swift. Let's get a bit raunchy here. In a bikini. Will it do slightly NSFW stuff? Oh, has no problem. It hasn't denied anything yet, so that's pretty interesting. Okay, no, it can't generate that. Imagine Taylor Swift. I think there's like some country passed a law saying you can't like have deepfake NSFW material. Shit, I might be missing some Instagram comments. Sorry guys, hold on. Vijay Jan says, has anyone got experience implementing a full-fledged RAG system using Vertex AI? Any feedback on a single word? Not personally. Hello from Colombia, yo. Mucho gusto. Chasing the pesos. I like your name too. Okay, so it can't do Taylor Swift. So maybe it can't do real people, but it can do characters. Alan, thank you for the sub. What is this? This is the new meta.ai by Facebook Meta. They've just released Llama 3 and they have amazing capabilities. Like the speed at which you can get these images and animate them is unprecedented, especially for free. I haven't seen anyone be able to do this, so Meta is showing their capabilities in the AI world. I mean, as they should be, because they have been working on cutting edge AI for forever. Like they were really one of the first pioneers in a lot of this, and so was Google, but Google is really dropping the ball, it seems. But like, good to see Meta kind of picking back up, and like honestly, they're giving OpenAI a run for their money with this. Amazing. What's this one? Meta.ai. Just search meta.ai. Unfortunately, if you're in the EU, apparently it's not available in the EU, so you might have to use a VPN. But anywhere else, it's available. What are the? Did it say it had some other feature? I think that was it. Does it have any other features that we don't have? I think we'll try the coding and stuff with rawdog, shall we? So yeah, I think. Oh, let's see. Can it do code? Can it? I don't think it can execute code. Right. Python to print hello world and then execute it. So that's some really big feature that you have in the GPT-4 interface is actually that code interpreter. I think that's an amazing thing. Okay, it doesn't look like they have it here. Can it read files? Let's try upload a file to it. Like, can it read images? So I have this thumbnail. Nope, doesn't look like you can upload files either. That's fine. All the other features are amazing. Okay, so I think I have a server running Llama 3. Yes, I do. I have my laptop running Llama 3 Instruct GGUF by Nose Research. Shout out to Nose Research. Amazing team. Simba, sorry, I missed you shouting you out, I think, for the roses. And there's this tool called rawdog. GitHub by Ubuntu AI. It pretty much sends your English or natural language command to an LLM to translate that. It's pretty much a code interpreter, but locally. Similar to OpenAI, you can just install it with pip. So let's do that right now, shall we? I think I can just use my cmder. This is the terminal I use. Let me try. Oh, actually, how do you set the LLM base URL? Here, LLM base URL in rawdog config.yaml. Okay, so I'm gonna create a conda environment called rawdog. Sammy says it requires you to sign in through Facebook. Yes, it does. But it's pretty easy to make a Facebook account, right? Just make a throwaway Facebook account. Peter, thank you for the follow. Style Elegant, thank you for the follow. Blaze23, thank you for the follow. Risky Google search, yeah. rawdog is a funny name. Shout out to Grant for that one. Okay, I don't have conda on this terminal for some weird reason, so I just use VS Code terminal. Let's do that. Conda create and rawdog. Okay, and let me try find the config file it'll make. Okay, conda activate rawdog, and then we just pip install it. Lemonade says, can you tell me about Vertex AI agent builder use case? Honestly, I haven't heard great things about the Vertex AI agent builder, but I can tell you a little bit about the OpenAI Assistant API, which will probably be pretty much the same thing. It's like having a version of ChatGPT that has like access to certain functions and like a knowledge base that you upload. So like it can perform various extra stuff that the normal ChatGPT wouldn't be able to do. That's like a very basic understanding of it. Okay, so we have that, but I can't find my rawdog folder. Now these instructions that they've given are, maybe I gotta create it, are for, like, I'm pretty sure this tilde symbol isn't the same on Windows. Like if I go Explorer tilde, that just brings up my documents. And I'm pretty sure that's not where it's meant to be. So I'm gonna create a folder where I think this one's meant to be. .rawdog, and for reference it will be kind of like your main drive / users / your username / the thing, and we'll create the config.yaml here. Open that up in VS Code. Hopefully this works better than Mentat works with LM Studio, because that's kind of the hosting that I'm using here. Okay. Base URL is 1234/v1. Oh, v1. Okay. Let's see if this works. How do we run it? Rawdog. Okay, we can go rawdog. How many folders on my desktop? Rawdog. How many folders on my desktop? No module named readline. Did we have an error? Pip dependency resolver cannot take all the packages. We have some conflicts. Python version. Okay, do we have the wrong Python version here? What Python version do we need? Do they say? Really? So this one's saying requires Python version less than 3.11, which is not installed. What version of Python am I running? 3.10. Okay. Wait. Yo, Grant, you still here? What version of Python do we need? Quick. Quick before I move on to Open Interpreter. Did I just try 3.11? He left. He's gonna be disappointed if I don't get this. Let's just try 3.11. I'm gonna create a new one called RD2 with, what do we call it? rawdog2 with Python equals 3.11. Yo, Thibaut, what's up? Samurai, my tutorials are awesome. Thank you so much. There's someone behind you. Was there? How long ago? Salahudin, what's up? Oh, let's look at the VOD. Was there someone behind me? Wait, this VOD's old. Sorry, who cares? Is 1234/v1. Yeah, anyone else on Instagram? Let's see, Presidente Gustavo Petro kissing Taylor Swift. Sorry, I missed that. Oh, I should have scrolled down. I didn't realize this wasn't auto scrolling. Oh, I missed so many Insta comments. My bad. How are you testing Llama 3? I was using meta.ai. Can you show us how to do functions in ChatGPT API? Probably not this stream. Check out OpenAI Cookbook. Their popular notebook section has a notebook on it. Salam alaikum, Turkey person. Thank you. I mean, salam. Just rawdog it. Yo, what's up? Okay, good to see you still here chasing the peso. Sorry for missing your comments earlier. Alright, we're gonna try rawdog again. Rawdog2. How are we gonna try it with the pip install? Do we still have the pip install here? Yes. Okay, if this doesn't work, we'll probably move on to Open Interpreter though. Essie, thanks for the follow. Fat Facts, thank you for the follow. 3.11. I think I did 3.11. Yo, first stream you're seeing, Salah. Nice. Do you have any software you made and making money? Not at the moment. There was a file in GitHub Workflows Python publish. Oh, okay. Well, looks like it didn't have an issue pip installing this one, so damn it, same issue. rawdog 2 lib mainline. No module name readline. Is readline even a module? Try pip install readline. Honestly, I don't really feel like debugging much, so I'm just gonna go on to trying it with Open Interpreter. My apologies to Grant. Yes. Okay, let's clear this and conda activate OI-S. Yes, OIS. Yo, so Ham, I know nothing about coding, pretty much in the basics. I have little experience, help with tutorials, and so I ran through all into GPT to teach us. What do you reckon I do with this problem? What's your problem? GPT to teach you is really good. Sorry, I couldn't understand your problem by reading your comments really fast. Can you sum it in like one sentence? Okay, we're gonna use interpreter -- local. I'm pretty sure this will actually no, that won't work. That won't work. We need to do interpreter -- help. What's the base URL? I think does -- help tell me there's a flag that you can use to set the base URL. Because when you use local, it'll be a local host, but mine's actually hosted on 192.168.1.2.3.4. So AB. So we can go interpreter -- equals AB. Let's see if that works. Got to find out. No, didn't work. Oh, I think it's just -AB, not --. I skimmed through exactly the part where I typed it. I have a contact asking for a CV. Yo, Fisto, thanks for the follow. And I need the opportunity. What project tutorials can I use just to fast track certain projects so I can get the opportunity? Well, if you want to be unethical, you could just clone any repository and be like, yeah, I made this, but I don't know, following tutorials on YouTube, just something that interests you, something you can speak about. I don't know any specific projects. Depends if you can do something relevant to the employer. I think that's also a really good strategy. So if they're an AI agent startup, make an AI agent or something. Okay, all right, I think we're connected here to my local model off my laptop running Llama 3. So I'm just going to ask it, what model are you running? Let's see if it can answer that. It's defaulting with 3000 context window. Okay, so the one shit thing about Llama 3, which is a pretty important thing, is the context window, I think, is really small. Okay, this one didn't work either. What is the issue here? It's missing a HTTP. Hold on, maybe I'm running. Oh, I didn't have it. Okay, let's just add HTTP here. It's a standard charted, so ideally with banking, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Maybe if you can find out what exact tech you're using and just make a project using their tech as well. All right, what model are you running? Okay, we didn't get anything back. Hello? Interesting. I don't know if that's an issue with the server or what. Is there another interface I can interface with this? Oh yeah, with big-agi. Let's try big-agi. This is one of my favorite chat interfaces with LMs. Oh, actually, you can't use the web one with a local model. Can you? All right, let's test it. I don't think you can. Let's see. If I add LM Studio, but at this URL, will that work? No, I can't access it from the web. I think I have a big-agi locally though. Yo, Fiston, Solar, chill out. Do I have any software I made? Yeah, I have a GitHub. Check out my GitHub. It's AJ47. My projects are there. AJ Tech Friend. All right. Okay. Let me try to remember how to run big-agi. I should open the folder big-agi. Probably on their GitHub. Big-agi GitHub. Installation guide. Clone CD npm. Okay, sweet. So let's git pull the latest commit. Okay, and we'll just install all the packages, make sure we have everything. Andre and Andres, thank you for the follows. So Ham says, I was thinking about using Get Lazy AI, but they don't have a free beta account I can use. Yeah, since my video yesterday, they had to take down their free account because they had so many people trying to use it, and I think they weren't ready for that. It's kind of a good problem to have, I guess. That video has done really well. It did like 500,000 views overnight. And what's it at now? 600,000. Awesome. Yeah, I'm really happy with that one. What's my thoughts on Gemini 1.5 Pro? Yeah, I mean, the greatest thing about it is its context length. 1 million token context is amazing. Also, its ability to process videos, very amazing. But other than that, I don't think it's as good as like GPT-4 or Opus. Sam says, I kind of need Get Lazy. What do I do? You probably have to pay for it now if you want it. Salah says, do you make money off TikTok videos? Not directly off the videos. I can't get the creator program in Australia, unfortunately. I wish I could. That would be awesome. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, I think I would have made a fairly decent amount of money. It's a shame. Oh well, I'm just happy for the attention. I think that's pretty valuable in itself. Yeah, just waiting for this. Yes, Solo, how many times do you want to ask this question? I do have software I made. You want to see it running? You'll watch my old streams. Watch, let me show you some of them. Go into my YouTube. Go into the live tab. And then let me find one. This one, NPC Simulator. I've made this software. You can also see open source coding and chill. That's probably timestamp genius. Yeah, these two videos, that's me working on my own software. Johnny Soul says, this might be off topic, but is there any way to create a Discord bot or Telegram bot that only works if you pay a subscription fee? I'm not too familiar with those kind of bots, but yeah, I think definitely theoretically, you just have the bot always have to go through your server, and it'll only respond correctly if the user is a paying user, a paid user. So you have some kind of payment Stripe API or something linked to it. Definitely possible, I think. Okay. Okay. Honestly, the Love Island was funny AF. Yeah, well, that's the kind of software that I've made. I also showed my LinkedIn. Yeah, that's true. Can a blogger theme get translated? I have no idea what you mean by that, bro. Okay, so I think we can run. Okay, we got big-agi running locally now. Right? Right? What do you think about Llama 3 performance in coding? I haven't tested it, but apparently it's pretty good. They need to update this Eval Plus leaderboard. I think Matthew Berman has done some coding tests with it. Let's see what he thinks.
I even broke out the tie-dye hoodie just for this launch. Today, we are going to be talking all about Llama 3. We're going to review the announcement. I'm going to show you just test something really quickly. And I bet you know what I'm going to test. Write the game Snake in Python. All right, here we go. Or 70 billion per. It is using the curses library, so I think that means it's going to be terminal based. All right, pasted the code in here. Doesn't look like we have any immediate errors. Let's push play. All right, we have a working Snake game. In fact, this is one of the more complete games that I've seen. Amazing. It even gives me the score. It has a window, and this time the snake can go through, which is cool. And let's see what happens if the snake goes into itself, if I can actually do that. Yep, and it crashes. Flawless. This would be an absolute pass for Llama 3. So again, be sure to check out my coming videos where I'm going to do the full suite.
You guys see his videos at Matthew Berman. Oh, this
Of tests. Man. And if you want to try,
I got this issue last time as well. Add this package. Try the meta.ai inference. Yeah, I did at the start of the stream. Now I'm trying to move on to try it with some other tools, but we're having trouble. I had trouble running it with Open Interpreter. That might have been. Should just try a different model instead of big-agi, to be honest. Hold on, let me no, let's just try big-agi since we have to have it working now, maybe. Let's see. Let's see if we do. Johnny says, wait, does that mean you can let Llama 3 curse if it's run locally? Just because it's run locally doesn't mean it's like an uncensored model, so probably not. All right, let's add LM Studio with this address here. Yes, okay, so we got Llama 3 running on big-agi. Does this let us do Beam? Yes, okay. So we can do like 10 different generations of this. I like to do the create HTML and CSS in one file that shows a starry night with glowing stars and the moon. Then I do Beam, right? And then I can make eight llamas. I don't know how fast. Oh, okay, one of them is working. And now they're all stopped. I probably shouldn't have done 8. Oh shit. As soon as I stopped it, it kind of finished. Let's just do 1. Or yeah, let's just do 1. See how that goes. Dirty Motion says, did you manage to run O1 OS locally with Whisper/Piper? No. No, I haven't really done much changing of O1 OS. Okay, so we have a blank black scene on the first try. Let's try one more time. Whoa, actually, no, it was still going, was it? Looks like it's... Oh, it's still going. Shit, stop. That messed that one up. My bad. Let's retry. I stopped it too early. Turn off the HTML view so we can see when it finishes. I guess running it locally, you can't really do 3 or 4 at a time. It's still pretty fast though. This is running on an M1 MacBook, Llama 3. Johnny says, in order to create a human sounding, it should curse. Is there any efficient way to run locally and still do this? Or is there... Yeah, you could, if you wanted to curse, you need to download like an unrestricted, like an uncensored model, like a dolphin model or something. But yeah, I'm pretty sure Llama 3 would not be uncensored. Okay, this looks weird. Creates a layout with the starry night scene of a glowing moon. That's definitely not what I see. We'll give it one more try. I think, so this is the 8 billion parameter model, so obviously it's not going to be nowhere near as good as the bigger model that they have running. But in comparison, I'm going to load up a actual specific coding model right now to show you how it compares, because I have 7B coding models as well on my MacBook, which I'll load after this one finishes. Oh, here we go. This is actually slightly better. Oh wow, that's actually a lot better. Nice. Let me show you guys my screen as well. I can show you the hopefully. Wait, what's happening? Oh, Damon's not right. Well, how about now? There we go. Okay, this is my phone, and then with my phone I can show the camera. And then this is my MacBook. And then if I turn up the brightness. Oh, it's locked? Oh, it's interesting. It still worked. Okay, so you can see I had Llama 3 running, but now we're going to change it to Wizard. No. Wait, which one's the best for coding? Oh, I'm going to do Magic Coder. I know this one's pretty good at coding. I'm not sure if it's going to be the best. Magic Coder SDS. This is a 7B model. It's just loading now. And we'll see how it compares with this same coding task compared to Llama 3. Yo, up Malam asks, what framework is this? What UI? This was big-agi, big-agi. If that's what you were talking about, this one here that created the multiple instances. It's one of my favorite, if not my favorite way to interact with multiple models and have them all in one interface. It's open source. It's amazing. Check it out, big-agi. It's also the quantized version. Yep, that's a good point as well. These are all quantized models, not the full one. Done. Big model, come on. Is it a MacBook Pro M3? No, it's an M1. I think, hold on, will this... Let's see. This will show my... Kind of shows my serial number, so I don't know if I should share that. But yeah, it's an M1 Pro or something. Sheridan, thanks for the follow. As Owen, thank you for the follow as well. Takes so long to load a model. I'm not sure why that is. We'll give it some time. Whoa, why am I getting these? I thought I was a non-disturb. I wasn't. Wasn't on do not disturb. Okay, luckily it wasn't anything too bad. I guess while we're waiting, we can maybe try GPT 3.5. I don't know if I have my API key set up. Oh yeah, I do. See, GPT 3.5 is obviously better. Whoa, it even animated the stars. Check that out. This was generated by GPT 3.5 compared to Llama 2. It's crazy. Johnny says, how do you keep up with these new developer AI tools like big-agi? I watch Wes Ruff, but I was wondering how you consume content. Well, this is kind of my life. I live and breathe AI content. But yeah, follow me on YouTube because I reckon I test out all the cool tools better than anyone. No, big-agi is awesome. No one else really covers it, honestly, but I think it's so good. There's a bunch of other similar tools, but honestly, I like big-agi the most. Bro, it's still loading. There we go. Okay, finally loaded Magic Coder. Let's see how it compares. So I'm gonna destroy this first Metal Llama. We'll have this as Metal Llama submission. Oh wow, it's actually responsive to my mouse. Wait, is that my mouse or just... So there's JavaScript? Wait, does that have on hover? Do it on hover. I don't think it's on hover. Oh, it is on hover. Wow, it's all just CSS. That's actually pretty cool. I mean, it's not realistic. Why is the moon pulsating? It looks cool, but it's not like a moon doesn't pulsate in real life. Whereas GPT-3 Turbo, the stars do kind of twinkle in real life. So anyway, let's try Magic Coder. I don't know. I'm just going to do it with Meta Llama, but this is actually Magic Coder. I just think the actual model name doesn't update. Can you provide me with HTML and CSS code? Oh, this is not good. Okay, there we go. Okay, the first time it messed up, but second time, let's see. The image here. Okay, this is actually worse. This is actually worse. Okay, no, it just tried to load some background image that doesn't exist for some reason, but it's still going, so let's not judge too quickly. Okay, the stars look really good. Arguably, the stars look better than GPT-3 stars. And they are slowly animating. I'm not sure if you can tell. I guess it tried to load an image of the moon. It didn't work. Let's give it one more attempt. This is Magic Coder, by the way. See if this one's any better. Okay, it's doing the stars really well, but there is no moon. All right, let me see if I can load this Magic Coder model with LM with Open Interpreter. Was it actually just an issue with Llama 3, or was it an issue with LM Studio? We're about to find out. Hello? No, I think it is an issue with LM Studio. Okay, maybe I need the -v1 in the URL. Let's see, v1. I'm not sure. Let's see if it's even getting the messages. Oh, that's the wrong thing. There we go. Error. Unexpected check. Okay, yeah, I think we needed the V1. Hello? Yeah, at least we're getting something. Riot Pi to print hello world. Hello world. Okay. Nice one. Wow, why is this so bad? Hold on. Let me try one different. I think this one runs a different version of interpreter, maybe? Alright, I'm gonna end this Instagram stream. If you guys want to see me continue, anyone on Instagram, check me out on Twitch or YouTube. Peace. Alright. Now this will give us way more real estate here. Here we go. Which is the best open source model for RAG LLM? I'm not sure exactly. I think Hermes 2 Pro is pretty good, like for a small one. Llama 3 is available with most providers like Deep Infra Together, Hugging Face Chat. But do they have a free API? Hopefully tech winter and soon job market slightly. Which country am I from? Australia. Do you still use Lazy AI? I haven't used it since I tried it on stream the other day. What car do you recommend to get? I'm not a car person, I don't know. What do you think about RStudio for statistical analysis? I'm not sure, I don't really do any statistical analysis, so I wouldn't be able to help you there. Let's see. Let's see if Magic Coder is self-aware. Okay, no, this isn't very good. All right, I'm gonna swap back to Llama 3 and try to test that with Open Interpreter. Let's see if it works. Hopefully this doesn't take so long to load again. While that's loading, let's see what we have coming up on the agenda. Should I close all these? Probably not. Wait. Next we have finding a good local vision model. That's something we can do on the side while we wait for the model to load. Best local vision model for UI. Hey, that's my video. Sick. Sick, dude. That's so sick. What? And apparently LM Studio's latest update lets you run vision models. See, it says here. Yeah, I downloaded Lava. See if I can import Lava. I can. Yeah, here we go. This is an image we can ask questions about. It's only 7 billion parameters. It's 7 gigabytes as well. What color cars are in this image? Oh, sweet. Look, it actually knows this image is 4 different colors. I think a lot of these models are good at like objects, but I want one that's really good for user interface. To use code Llama 70B, should we need a lot of disk space? You need a lot of VRAM for it to run efficiently. So like a good GPU. I think the like M3 MacBooks can run it as well. Why does the camera keep closing? I guess because I don't press anything. Should I learn how to code and waste my life for years, or make apps with no code like Bubble? We're gonna get to whether coding is... We need some copium for software engineers. I think like, especially at the moment, Bubble can only take you so far. Like if you want a really exceptional app or software, you need to know how to code. But with these no-code tool apps, like no-code tools, they're still pretty good. Like you can get like 80% of the way there. And you can make like nice basic flows if it's not too complex. Yeah. I feel like as time progresses though, they're like needing to know actual coding syntax decreases. Okay, we got Llama 3. Let's go back here and run interpreter again. You can see the logs here maybe. Yeah, you ready? Once I type something in. Let's see if it's self-aware. What model are you running? Oh, let's just do an actual one that requires it to code. How many files are on my desktop? Oh, it makes a plan. That's pretty good. Wait, actually, I don't think that's actual code. Right, pi code. Pretty shitty follow-up prompt, but let's see. You got stuck? Oh no, still going. This is weird syntax. No, let's just do a simple one, right? Wait, we go reset write Python code to print hello world. Kai says, I'm starting a course from the 29th and questioning these node code tools. You starting a coding course? Python print hello world. This is a really interesting format. What is this execute stuff? Never seen these before with any of the other models. It's not really working like I'd want it. Let's try upgrade the interpreter package. See if that fixes it or makes it worse. Could be either. Write pi to print hello world. No. It's still coming back in this weird format. Okay. Let me try it with the other version of Open Interpreter that I have. Activate OIS. It's kind of like a fork that I have. I don't know if it'll work. I guess we'll close this. Alright, what do we do with tools? Rawdog. Couldn't get it working. Big-agi. Llama 3 was actually pretty decent at HTML, CSS. Was it? No, actually it was okay. Wasn't decent. Llama 3. This is 8B as well. Was okay. Print right. Write pi to print hello world. Definitely worse. Reset this. Yo, Johnny Rocket. What's up? There we go. How many files are on my desktop? Can it do that? Open Interpreter. Seems pretty trash with Open Interpreter. And just for a sanity check after this, I'm going to load a model that I know is kind of decent with Open Interpreter and see how that goes. Dirty Motion says, I had the most luck Open Interpreter with Mistral Cat Macaroni. Yeah, the Mistral fine-tunes seem to be actually pretty good with it. I haven't heard of Cat Macaroni. Oh, it's a Slurp Uncensored 7B. Nice. I don't know why this is now stuck. software am I using? This is Open Interpreter. It should take natural language and turn it to code. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's actually good. Oh, shit, I accidentally... pressed. Accidentally pressed too many buttons. Sorry, it's LS desktop. I don't know why it's got this extra tilde as well. I hope that doesn't mess anything up. They do it in Python. Okay, now it's working fine. Happened last time. Yeah, that seems pretty good. Seems to just ignore that tilde, so that's nice. But maybe not. Maybe there's a reason it didn't print anything. Try again. Every time there's an extra tilde. Is that the reason why it's messed up? I don't know. Let's try. I'm going to try a model that I think normally works pretty well with Open Interpreter. And what could that be? I think Mistral works well. I like Hermes 2 Pro Mistral. I don't know why these models are taking so long to load today, but yeah. What do you create with it? So how it works, Moonboy, is you tell it something in natural language. So like how many files are on my desktop, or open this, or create this, or change this file. And then it creates a custom Python or shell script to kind of achieve what you've given it to do. My record says you install locally that interpreter, or how? Yes, you install it locally. If you want to learn how, search GitHub Open Interpreter. Not issues, but Open Interpreter. And oh my god. Open Interpreter. And you'll be given this page. Open Interpreter / Open Interpreter. And yeah, this will show you how to install it and run it. Hermes 2, yeah, I really like Hermes 2 Pro. It's like my favorite Mistral fine tune. But yeah, it's still loading. Have I tried Open Chat with it? No, have not. Well, I'm so bright. Let me turn down my... Oh, okay, no, we're good. I'm still really bright. Let's turn down this ISO. We're really bright. Ijad, Eljad, Rainshin, thanks for the follow and shares. What am I making? I'm testing... Well, I was testing Llama 3 with Open Interpreter, and just for a sanity check, I'm testing like a model that I know works well with Open Interpreter, just to make sure that there was some issues. Particularly, there was like an extra tilde every time. It doesn't seem to work nice with Open Interpreter, unfortunately. So we're just waiting to see if this Hermes 2 Pro model works better with it. Hopefully won't take too much longer. And then after that, I was searching for a vision model. Actually, we might do this. So Interpreter has an operating system mode, which instead of just writing Python scripts, it can actually execute commands to like click buttons on your screen. Anurag, thank you for the sub. So I want to try this, and apparently I thought you only could do it with GPT Vision, but apparently you can do it without Vision. So that sounds really interesting. And I think it just works with like local OCR Python libraries and stuff, like character recognition. So I want to see how that goes after this, probably. We just have to wait a few minutes. I think we could do a typing test while we wait. I like monkeytype.com. Let's see, what do you guys reckon my typing score is? I reckon it'll be 80 something. No. Oh shit, 126. That's a lot better than 80. Guess I've gotten a bit faster. Okay, we've got it finally. We've got the local model. Let's just try run a basic Python script. How many files are on my desktop? I'm pretty sure this should work. Here we go. How many files are on my desktop? Okay, here we go. Here's the code. A bit of complaining, but yeah, see, there's no extra tilde. There's a nice plan. I think this will work fine. I've asked to execute it. It's kind of thinking about it. There are 9 files on your desktop. Perfect, yeah. So Hermes 2 Pro works really well with Open Interpreter. So I really like that one. Now let's try the OS mode of Open Interpreter with Hermes 2 Pro. Dirty Motion says, I tried OS with Mistral. You need quite a few extra dependencies. Yeah, you do need extra dependencies with OS mode, and I'm pretty sure I have them. So let me try. I just need to swap out this URL with my one. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Now it worked. Okay. Here we go. This is exciting. I actually didn't know that you could do this, so I'm really excited to try this. Oh, there's no equal sign. No, wait. Clear. We need a equal sign here. Do we? Actually, I don't think we do. I don't know, I put it there anyway. I'm pretty sure I had it last time. Maybe it doesn't make a difference. Johnny says, it would be good to create a prompt to generate an image and some vision AI to rate the image and send it back to image generation if it's not good enough. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. What kind of prompt would you have to rate it? Like, what kind of metrics would you be rating the image on? Low today. More monkey type? Or what about browsing Twitter? Or I don't know if this will work. I really don't like the TikTok web interface, but I want to reply to some comments. 34 comments? Man, that's so many. Let's see what people are saying. Like if I click on a comment, does it take me to the comment? Really good. It doesn't. So we're just going to manually go through it. Now try MP4 like. AI agents won't replace software engineers. Could they eventually co-live? Sure. But we are far from that point. Source, I'm an AI startup engineer, not stubborn. No one wants this more than me. Oh, let's give them a heart react. The heart react. I wish I could speak computer crazy. Thank you so much. Why am I this late to the party? You're actually early. I typed the exact same prompts 3 different times and it failed. Sad. Bro, what's taking this so long? Come on. Okay, I need a tutorial how can create an app and starting. Is the website free? It was, but they've temporarily removed the free account, the free plan. It's crazy how we utilize LLM to make something similar to AGI. Create for me the next Command and Conquer game with base building. And make a YouTube ad blocker. Wow, might as well change my software engineering. No, don't do it. How do you turn it into your own website? Can't deploy it for you. I think. Yeah, I got ChatGPT to write me a script that detects an image or something. I can do that one shell command. Does it deploy a web app for you though? Okay, I'm gonna try to restart this. I don't know why it wasn't working, but maybe if we restart it, it works. Rule 1 of software engineering debugging or just IT debugging, just try turning it off and on. Or try restarting it. Damn, it's got a lot of likes. Okay, here we go. Oh, we didn't have these installed. Alright, this is the plan. I've done this so many times, but when there's missing packages... Oh, wait, hold on. No. Ah, shit, why did I say no? It can install it for you? I swear before it didn't it made you install it by itself, but I guess this time it installs it for you. Ah, I shouldn't have quit it. Okay, nice. It's gonna do it for me now, hopefully. No. Yeah, see, it doesn't work for some reason. It says please try install them manually. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use interpreter to install these packages manually. Try reset after changing the model, it gets confused. Okay. Try create a speech dialogue with Udio. Sometimes it's trippy. Yeah, I saw your one today, Kai, on the one you posted on Discord. I'm gonna say pip install these packages. Paste as one. Oh no, that's not what we want. Here, these. Okay. And I think it actually does these packages really well. Let me check, hold on. I keep getting this context window issue, but I'm not even sure what context window we're running. What size? Let's have a look. Oh, is this going to sleep again? Here we go. Oh, we're only running 2000, but we can support 32. Oh, I want to up it to 32. But I don't know if that's gonna mess up because now we have to reload the server. The model. Hope it doesn't take too long. Yes, pip install OpenCV dash. Whoa! Oh, it's because oh shit. Wait, it's. Oh my god. I messed it up. Let's try again. Benj Day, thanks for the follow. Bisa Mandarin, how are you, bro? Have you tried Cursor SH? Yes, I have. It's really good. I just have some glitches with it, but it's definitely one of the best like AI coding platforms for sure. Alright, let's get this to install the pip packages again. What? Actually, it's actually gone mad. I upped the context window. Is that really why it's gone mad? What? No, surely not. Let's just stop and start the server. That is so... I've never seen it do this before. Install these pip packages. It's actually literally gone mad. Alright, let's decrease the context window, I guess. I think like 12,000 is good. Good? Okay. Alright. Let's try again. Running out of time here. Install these pip packages. Do it. Yes, okay. For some reason, increasing the context window messed up. Oh. Is this real? It's wait, it looks like it's hallucinating the... I can't tell if this is real or it's hallucinating the output. Because it's like kind of displaying it in a code block token by token. I've never seen this before either. Kind of seems legit though. Would you like to run this code? No. Run the pip install commands individually. Let's see if we can do that. Yep. Okay. I think that looks better. Next. Run the command. Yep. Found a door out of the matrix. Next. Could you imagine that? This is like slower than me manually typing this. It's okay. It's okay. It'll all be worth it. Can you sort by newest comment? No. Damn. Oh, we can actually run. I mean, open TikTok here. Wow, huge! Nice. Was that it, or is there another one? Really good. I really like this one. It's a... Sounds like you've never tried this before, no idea how it works. Really good. I really like this one. It's a prompt to software. Can you make a Python 2 to Python 3 converter? I don't know. Answered like a true no-code user. Okay. Is that it? I think that's it. That was it, right? That's it. Alright, sweet. Let's try run OS mode. And fuck, what was the context? We need a fuck it, we'll just run it on default context. Yo, Reza, what up, what up? What are we doing? We are trying to run Open Interpreter OS mode completely offline without a vision model and see what it can do. Kai says, I still haven't tried TikTok Plus. Oh, TikTok Plus, no idea what to upload. Well, you can just consume. Upload all the like things you do on Twitter. You can upload anything on TikTok, man. Johnny Rocket, I had some similar issues like this recently. Couldn't get all the packages installed. Yes, but now you can make a ham sandwich. Yum. Actually could really go for a sandwich right now. For some reason, the OS is taking ages to start again. I'm just gonna retry it because sometimes it just works really fast and sometimes it just doesn't work. So paused it and then resumed it when it was
voice
time to
AI
answer.
for any
This
application.
is Cap,
you
bro.
give it a
Cap.
try. I love it when they have a demo right on their landing page.
Oh, hey, sorry I must have dozed off for a second there. Welcome to Vappy. I'm an AI.
Definitely on a cloud provider with a memory limit. You think I'm holding it? Yeah. If the perfect AI is able to do any task, it doesn't matter if a damn domain. Okay, I think we caught up. Let's go. Shout out to all the new followers. How's that video doing? 600. Crazy. Should we check Instagram? Bro, why is this taking so long? Hasn't really been blowing up on Instagram. Yeah. Sorry, my video on TikTok blew it up. They said they will reintroduce the free plan once it dies, once traffic dies down. Okay. To the guy who couldn't install dependencies, if you can't install it, exit it and install your VN manually. Yo, Paul, what's up? What's the verdict? Meta.ai, the ChatGPT version by Meta is actually really good. The creation of, you can create like animations and images really fast and really good quality, and even copyright characters. And then I tried the 8B Llama model and that wasn't that impressive. So I don't think the 8B model is that impressive in my opinion, but the bigger models are probably really good, and just the whole chat interface that they've made is pretty good for image creation. Reza says, did you see the $9 an hour AI nurse backed by Nvidia? Did not. Is it good? Jazz, hey, you're new, welcome. Hopefully you learn a lot. Jazz, make sure to check out my YouTube videos as well and all my previous TikToks. Bro, why is this not loading? Ah, what if I just do one Control C? No. I mean, like, it kind of loads. I don't know, man. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, it's doing something. Oh no, I'm gonna turn off my desktop sound so it doesn't annoy you. Yeah, no, it didn't load everything. How about we just close that terminal, create a new terminal. Let's close this one too. Conda activate OIS. Alright. Come on, load fast, please. Please. NVIDIA has teamed up with an AI company to release AI nurses costing $9 an hour, and they've been rated by human nurses to be better than human nurses. Crazy. Okay. We have the OS mode. Oh, we don't have the latest version. I hope that's not an issue. But let's just try something simple. Open Notepad and type hello world. Can a 7 billion parameter model do this with Open Interpreter? This is the moment of truth. Computer OS start Notepad, display view, copy. Copies of selected text. Write hello world. Okay, let's see. Can it start Notepad? No, OS has no attribute start. Try a different way. Also had some people on Hugging Face, did some research on Llama 3 8B and got some crazy good results. What kind of tests were they running? My test with Llama 3 wasn't the best. Okay, some issues with OS mode. It could be because I'm running a kind of version. Alright, maybe I'll try the new version. Yeah. Have I covered RAFT, RAG plus fine tuning? No, I haven't. I vanished? No! Bro, I think my camera died. At least we got audio this time. You know, I guess the good thing about that is we could make this bigger. How is this still not installed these programs, bro? No. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna have to do a part 2 for this video. In this stream. So let me give a recap of what we will do next time. Pretty much maybe even tonight, maybe. Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing this. Let's say these. Yeah. So we did pretty much mainly just some Llama 3 testing this stream. Problem with dependencies? Well, it's just like the problem is that Open Interpreter based package doesn't install all the packages it needs for the OS mode. And I think it's just a Windows problem that when you try to install it with Open Interpreter, it just yeah, it tries to install this and this doesn't work. Maybe it's not too hard to just install these manually. That's kind of what we end up doing. But yeah. How to make a website, either AI to download videos on private websites. I'm not sure. Every website's different. Depends what website you're trying to download from. What security measures they have in place. Okay, guys, thank you so much for viewing this stream. We have reached a point where I think I need to recharge my camera. I need to buy one of these. Hold on, how much do they cost? Sony battery plug in. There's like a thing that you can keep the battery plugged in. Dummy battery kit? Oh. I don't know what it's called, but I need one of them. Battery adapter wall. This one, continuous power adapter. Oh, it's not too expensive. I'll probably just get one. And then we won't have this problem ever again. Yeah, okay. Anyway, thanks guys. Thank you so much. Hope to see y'all next time. Peace out.